Yes, hello. My name is Uwe Kamann. I'm Managing Director at Fagus-GreCon, and on behalf of our whole team, I welcome you to my presentation about the company. My topics for you are an update on our business worldwide, our vision and our business units, our strategies for the markets, and your benefits if you decide to work with us. Let's get going. We have a Vision 2030. That means we have defined our goals, our strategies for 10 years. Here is an extract of our visions. Not everything is something I want to go through with you today, but a few points are very important. For example, we are an independent, family-owned business. We've been there for more than 110 years now, and we will stay like that. We have leading international brands like Fagus and GreCon. Innovation is our tradition, one of the key statements, messages. So we combine the heritage and the knowledge of the past 100 years with a very innovative spirit. And we are a recognized innovation leader in all our markets. We want to secure your success, the success of our customers. And we want to increase our customer loyalty. So these are the main points of my presentation today for you. We have split up our organization in 4 business units. Business unit Fire Prevention, Measuring Technology. We have a traditional shoe last and molds business. And as most of you probably know, we have a very famous building and which has been named as the UNESCO World Heritage. We will talk about that in a minute. In line with these business units, we have built up our organizational building with 2 managing directors and the business units. That means I am one of 2 managing directors, and I would like to pass on the word to my co-director, Michael Gawronski. Michael, your turn.
Yeah, thank you very much, Uwe. You have the main part today, but at least I would like to take the opportunity to shortly introduce myself. My name is Michael Gawronski. I joined to Fagus-GreCon 1 year ago as Managing Director. My focus is on technology and operations in general. With my background in physics, I stand for technical innovations and new customer-specific requirements. I want to facilitate and support the optimization of our internal processes along the customer journey to improve our market standing. It is my goal to contribute that Fagus-GreCon remains the innovation leader also in the future and provide you with superior solutions in measuring technology and fire prevention. I'm looking forward to working with you on your new and advanced requirements. And with that, I hand back to you, Uwe. Thank you.
Okay, Michael, thank you very much. Let me dive with you in our business units. I already mentioned the World Heritage Site, designed by Walter Gropius, the Bauhaus. Most of you will know it. And we have many, many visitors, some years 20, 30,000 visitors who come to see us. We have exhibitions, cultural events and those kind of things for our international visitors. After Corona has settled a little bit, COVID-19, we open again for our visitors and run events. We are currently modernizing the Fagus-GreCon exhibition, and tradition goes digital, meaning that we also are working online with our marketing activities and are offering an online shop. As part of our World Heritage business units, we have the exhibition, we have a visitor center, we offer guided tours, and of course we also have our shop. The second business unit I want to talk about is our traditional shoe last and molds business. For more than 100 years we have been in the business for the shoe industry and offering a full house service to all known shoe manufacturers. Here you see some of our products that we are offering. Overall, we see a challenging shoe market, not necessarily in the technical side, that's something we can cope with, but people, maybe you also, are not buying enough shoes, so the shoe industry is suffering a little bit and not investing as much. Nevertheless, we focus on new solutions, for example on sports shoes or on safety shoes. We further invest into new machines and also into new technologies like the 3D printing and the parametric design. The remaining two business units are fire prevention and measuring technology. Here I will not go into details today with you because our experts from the business units will present new products and solutions to you during the show. Okay, let's talk about our strategies. Service is one of our key strengths. It's about 20% of our business in the meantime, and the availability of predictive maintenance and a worldwide service network is key to our customers. We are available for you 24/7, and we also offer remote possibilities to access your systems. We are present worldwide. That means we are working with subsidiaries in most important regions of the world, and we have partners that also can provide service on our products and systems for you, very close to your plant. Marketing is very important, growing strategies. We want to use also digital tools, marketing tools, to inform about our solutions and also to exchange ideas about your challenges. We launched a webinar platform to run global events with you, and we also had very many webinars already with thousands of participants. Customer centricity, a big topic. We want to provide an excellent customer experience through all stages of the customer journey with you. We are currently introducing a new customer relationship management system, and we are continuously working on a new website and will launch a totally new website soon. Production, also manufacturing, very important because of the growing business and the customer demands. We have invested into new buildings here at the ground, new technologies in the manufacturing, digitalization also, for example, for the production of our control cabinets. So through the whole line of order handling through our company, we have introduced further improvements to work on our delivery performance and to also manage the current difficult material supply situation and the increased cost for transportation and packaging. What are our benefits to you, our partners and customers? We offer products and solutions that are state-of-the-art, that help you to optimize the performance of your production line in terms of safety, in terms of quality, and of course also cost efficiencies. We offer great technical opportunities on your way to CO2 neutral productions, a requirement that we all have to face. And our products provide digitalization opportunities to optimize your resources and to improve the availability of your systems. Plus, we offer a customer-oriented technical service at your site or online through interfaces and interaction. So bottom line, let us work hand in hand with you. Thank you.